Imagine walking into your closet at 7:25 a.m., coffee in hand, slightly late, and walking out at 7:30 looking like you were styled by a Vogue editor. No stress, no mess, just effortless elegance. Jackie Kennedy once said, "Pearls are always appropriate." But do you know what's even more appropriate? Having a wardrobe so well curated that dressing becomes a 5-minute ritual of confidence. My name is Summia, and today in this video, I'm revealing the secret to getting dressed in 5 minutes and looking polished, powerful, and radiant all day long. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a timeless fashion tip inspired by Princess Diana's quick outfit formula that never failed her. And if elegance and simplicity are your style goals, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Summia's Elegance, where fashion meets grace. Secret number 1. Start with a signature uniform fashion icon, Carolina Herrera, known for her impeccable style, once said, "Elegance isn't solely defined by what you wear, it's how you carry yourself." But what helps you carry yourself better is knowing exactly what works for you every single time. The first step, create a style uniform. Think of it as your personal fashion recipe. For example, a crisp white shirt plus tailored trousers, plus loafers, a silk blouse plus midi skirt plus kitten heels, a monochrome dress plus belt plus statement earrings. Victoria Beckham reportedly owns dozens of black turtlenecks because it's her go-to power piece. She doesn't waste a second wondering what to wear, and neither should you. Secret number 2. Organize like a stylist, not like a shopper. The secret lies not in how much you own, but how it's arranged. Did you know that people wear 20% of their wardrobe 80% of the time? That means you're wasting energy sifting through clothes you don't even wear. Organize by outfit, not by item. Pair your pieces into ready-to-go combos, like the fashion version of a meal prep. Fashion editor Grace Coddington once revealed that she arranged outfits in her closet already accessorized, including shoes and jewelry. That's why she could be ready in minutes, even for major fashion shows. Secret number 3, neutrals and accessories. The real MVPs. Here's a power tip. The more neutral your base outfit, the more powerful your accessorizing becomes. French women have mastered this art. Inès de la Fressange, the French model and Chanel muse, said, "If you're not sure what to wear, go for something simple and add one bold piece." That could be a camel blazer plus black top plus dark jeans plus red lip. A white dress plus gold hoops plus structured bag. Your wow doesn't come from complexity. It comes from clarity. Secret number 4, time-saving tip, the 5-minute tray. Here's a genius hack. Prepare a 5-minute tray. This is a small section on your dresser where you keep your signature lipstick, favorite watch, perfume, hair clip, or headband. Go-to earrings. It's your personal styling station, ready for action even when you're half awake. Secret number 5. Confidence is the finishing touch. Let's be honest, you can wear a $20 dress and still look like a million if you carry yourself with confidence. Coco Chanel once declared, "Dress shabbily and they remember the dress. Dress impeccably and they remember the woman." And that is the real secret. Preparation plus simplicity plus attitude. So, the next time you hit snooze one too many times, remember, elegance isn't about having more, it's about knowing what works and owning it. If you found these tips helpful and want more timeless, effortless style advice, please subscribe to my channel, Summia's Elegance, and let's bring back the art of dressing beautifully, even in a rush. Let me know in the comments, what's your current go-to outfit on busy mornings? I'd love to hear how you shine with simplicity. Until next time, stay elegant, stay empowered.